Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the Clipboard Horizontal Offset in Iron Nest. Let's begin by either pressing the settings menu on the main menu or by pressing the menu key, for me it's escape, and then going into settings. In settings, make sure you are in the game tab. Here at the top is the Clipboard Horizontal Offset. When changing it, you can see, well, the offset. You can adjust it. I recommend adjusting it until it is clearly visible at the edge of the screen. And once you are done making your changes, simply press apply. Then you can simply close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.